What's up YouTube? Toby's Mowers back at you with another video. In this video we're going to try to see if we could fix this Lt3000 lawnmower. I just got it for free today, so we're going to fix it, try to see if we can get it running, and then flip it to sell it to buy some money for all my other lawn tractor, off-road, and racing parts. So let's get to the live action. Okay, so first of all, we just got this Lt3000 today. Really nice lawnmower so far, so I just got it today. I washed it off. It does runs super bad, hardly even runs, and there's a few problems like transmission barely squeaks, jumps out of gear, pops out of gear sometimes, does not fully pull and work properly. And then we have the mower deck. Apparently new spindles, they look pretty new, and I guess we're gonna also paint up this mower deck, weld a few braces into this mower deck, and then we're just gonna work on my engine in here, get my engine complete, and then I guess we're gonna do carb cleans and clean up this engine, and we're gonna see how much we could sell it for. We'll start with taking off the carburetor on this thing, diagnosing it, and I guess putting it back together and seeing if it runs. Alright, so back at the mower, I got the carburetor off, took it apart. It's in the ultrasonic cleaner now, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check the oil and do a few other tests on this thing. Oil looks very clean. Does not smell like gas at all. Alright, so we just got my lawn tractor battery out, and looking down in here, actually doesn't look too bad except for that big chunk of grass, and that could definitely be clogging up stuff and not letting it move fully, but otherwise the belt looks pretty good, the pulley looks pretty good, the fan does. I just probably need to clean it a little more. It was not fully disengaging, so I'll probably need to fix that. The oil, I'm going to check it on it, and all the mounts look secure for it, and it didn't seem to be dripping any oil, so this transmission Does seem pretty solid. I'm pretty sure the sound was just either a dry spot on the belt or just some things getting in the way of the pulleys and everything moving. So now what I'm going to go do is lube all the linkages and movements and parts on this lawn tractor that engage everything. That way everything is ready for the next owner, nice and smooth too. Okay, so now we're going to check the compression and make sure that the spark plug is sparking properly and it is gapped and it's not running too rich. The bowl on the carburetor was way up, so, or not the bowl, the float was way up on the carburetor, so it seemed like it was just flooding a little bit. The spark plug does not look too bad. Definitely looks like it's running a little rich, and that gap is terrible. That gap is super terrible. That is about for sea level. We're in Colorado, so we need this to be gapped at least at 0.30. Alright, so I just got my spark plug cleaned, gapped, so now let's see if she sparks. Spark looks great, so we're going to go ahead and test the compression on this thing. Okay. About 80 psi, exactly 80 psi. That is actually really good for a lawn tractor like this. 90 psi would probably be about brand new, so this engine doesn't have a lot of wear on it, so it's just still a super good engine. Don't have to take it apart and lap the valves or adjust the valves or anything. The valves should already be adjusted, so I guess we're good enough. The ultrasonic cleaner just stopped, so we're gonna put the carburetor back together, clean out this junk, and then start it up, see if it runs a lot better. So my camera cut off for some reason, but I got the carburetor all back together. Super clean, super nice from that ultrasonic cleaner. Cleaned it up great, so cleaned out all the orifices, so put it back together. I tried to adjust the plastic float valve to make the float go just a little bit lower. So I guess let's install it and see if it works. Sweet. Oh shoot. So runs great. Sounds good now. I guess it just had to clear out a little bit. It was still running a little funky in the beginning, but I guess it cleared out. It was running like that all the time before, so sounds good. Runs good now. Carburetor looks almost brand new. Everything's tightened up, so we're gonna button up everything back up. Put the air filter back on. I guess see if the light works, and then we'll drive it tomorrow morning. And then we're gonna get black paint, spray paint this deck, sharpen, balance the blades, and that'll probably be it for this video, fixing it. And I guess I'll show you guys if I sell this thing within a week, how much money I made off of it. Alright, so that's everything for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tomorrow morning, what we're going to do is just do some test drives on it, make sure everything works good, wash the transmission and all that dirt out from the transmission, make sure all the engagements work, make sure the oils fill, and then we're going to take off the mower deck probably another day, paint it black, and then sometime this week, if I sell it, I'm going to show you guys how much I sold this mower for. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. It's been about a week since I filmed the rest of that video, but I was not able to end up selling this thing. I'm not going to sell it as it is because I was not able to get the mower deck running. Otherwise I probably could have if I was able to get it running. The spindle on it had completely sheared off the part that holds on the pulley, so I was removing an old spindle from another 42-inch deck, and every single bolt snapped off because of how rusted it was. So I'm going to end up buying a $20 nice spindle for this thing, throw it on the mower deck, repaint it, and then the final price will be in another video. But otherwise, guys, if you watched to the end, I really appreciate it, and thank you guys for watching. So if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down twice. And I will see you guys in another video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Really, really helps support the channel. Alright, so God bless y'all. Hope to see you watching some more of my mower content.